Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the daily time frame for Link, Chainlink, and we start to see some small reactions here to our support area. This is the larger time frame chart. I've marked here the Binance low, which formed on the 10th of October at around 8:30. So this was actually down here on the Binance chart. On the Coinbase chart, the price formed support or found support at around $15, but then moved to a lower low. I'm not sure if we can really trust any of these at the moment, so we have to kind of navigate the space with a bit of unclear data. It's important to understand we have our bull market support that's still holding. Several times in this cycle, this bull market support area held, and also most recently during that flash crash a month ago, that bull market support between 690 and 1070 it has held. So we have, however, on the Coinbase chart an upper support area because it's possible, leaving the Binance chart aside, that a meaningful low formed already in June. This year was a wave 1 to the upside. This year is a wave 2 to the downside. But if that's the case, we should ideally hold the 1330 level. The price is still struggling with that. And so I have not seen yet an impulsive upside reaction to this zone. Let me be very clear. This is the zone where we want to see such a reaction and possibly the start of a third wave rally to the upside. So it's all quite weak at the moment. Any further downside should ideally hold above 1330 to keep this 1-2 setup alive. And to get some clarity, we need to focus on the shorter time frame, of course. But looking at the daily chart, it can sometimes help us to reduce the noise. And the resistances are here around the first one is the trend line that needs to be broken. It's coming in around $21.50 to $22. Then the next trend line around $26.50. Then the next one around $31.50. So these are all important levels and signal or trend lines that need to be broken in order to unlock prices in the $47 plus area. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame then for Link, because what I showed you in the last videos was a resistance area. And I said, until we break above that resistance area, there isn't really any signal that we've bottomed. As you can see here, I can see this as a wave 2 that might be in the, bottoming here. It could form a low, but I have to say so far, the upside reaction from the swing low on the 4th of November is not yet impressive. We might still see another low, which might take us below 1330. Would that be a disaster? No, not necessarily. This is not an invalidation point, but we need to avoid a decisive break below 1330. We've now moved into the first resistance area. A rejection from here can easily happen. First resistance is between $15.06 and $16.76. So until we actually get a decisive break above $16.76, there isn't even a local low confirmation, And ideally, we need to get 5 waves above and also above this green line at 1766. For now, pressure remains downward. Basically, interesting to watch, though, because I don't really have a very clear downside continuation pattern. It could easily be, if this move down is a Z wave, then this could be an A, B, C in wave Z. But I'm open to the idea we could be turning around because we've come so close to that 78.6 retracement. There's just no reversal signal yet. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Also, make sure you follow us on X, by the way. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Here you can get additional updates every single day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.